The other day I found myself with the opportunity to reorganise my whole desk to make it more efficient and everything. So I took some time lapses because I thought may as well show you guys. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I've just finished setting up my new desk layout thing, and I thought I'd just give you a quick little tour here. So here it is. This is what it looks like now. Beautiful Cabelco vest on the chair here. Take a seat. So I've got my mat right here. This is my primary working space. Straight up here then we have all the tools just here. Sandpaper, files, dental floss because that comes in useful. Super glue, and then the anti-bonding stuff in case you get it on your fingers, toothpicks, Q-tips or cotton buds, a couple pins, a little bit of steel wool, and some extra scalpel blades, scalpel, knife, scissors, screwdriver, little tweezer thingos, a zip tie, don't even know why that's there. We've got the jeweler's saw there, a selection of pliers and wire cutters and stuff there. We got specialty screwdrivers, my helping hands there. Dremel tools, because the Dremel sits over here with the vise when I'm not using it, but if I do need to use this, that just undoes there and I move it along to my working space. Piece of paper here to test out paint pens and super glue on. I have speakers here because I thought it'd be cool to have a little bit of a sound system. I personally like to listen to my music while customising. I got rulers just there, and this big tub here, this is all of my works in progress, all the customs that I'm working on at the moment. And then in here is just all heaps of supplies like putty and acetones, extra steel wool, that sort of thing. Rubbing compounds are in there. All my wire is in there. Over here I've got a light, some sticky notes, sticky tape, a couple rubbers, a pen and a pencil. Have that on quick access. Magnets for picking up little bits of steel wool. We got some PPE here, so safety glasses and gloves, because it's always good to have those around if you need them, especially for working with the Dremel. We got some textures and toothbrushes and a paintbrush there. Toothbrushes are for cleaning up putty dust and that sort of thing off of cars, and then the permanent markers are just for that sort of thing. All my other tapes are there, masking tapes, that sort of thing. I've got my paint pens just here. In there is more paintbrushes and my weathering powder. We've got quick access notepads here, just a random mouse board even though I don't have a computer here. And then over here in these drawers, that one's full of plastic wheels, that's my special wheels. Those two are empty. That there is offcuts from cars, so like interior bits and engine bits, that sort of thing. That's just random offcuts that I could use. That's just some parts like tin and sticks and paper clips, and then that's even more parts with paper clips and that sort of thing. Just show you the plastic wheels one here, so it's not full but it's getting there. And then donor cars, extra cars, that sort of thing. Cars I've drilled open, they're all in there. So that's pretty much my setup here at the moment. I tried to keep that quick, hope that helps. We got boxes over there for models, Lego bits and stuff over there if you were wondering. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. I'm the Lonely Chicken. Ciao ciao.
It's the Lonely Chicken.